Let's see method 2. If you don't want to use numeric example, you don't want to use numeric input, so directly you can take text. This is text, and here you can see insert variable. Click on insert variable and click on numeric, lateral number and tag. So you need to take tag. Which tag? Same tag. Pump time. Here digit 3, decimal place, because you are going to read numeric number in dint, not in real value, so no need to select any decimal place. Click OK. Font, you can change font same if you want, otherwise if you want different, you can choose different. Cambria or any Calibria, it's very Dubai is good. Dubai font also good, yeah. Size, you can choose size 14, 13, whatever you want, and solid background. Back color and force colors you can change. Size to fit, either size to fit is better. Click on OK. So now you can see this is also numeric input. Save. What you need to do? You need to change, switch over screen. Now you can see 50, right? Now timer tag is 0. You will start again. So timer will start from 0. You can see it started. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. You can see here 50,000 timer. It means 50,000 millisecond. You divided the 50,000 millisecond into 50,000 millisecond into 1,000. So 50,000 into 1,000, it means 50. You can see timer done bit is completed. Whenever you will click again, so timer done bit is 0, but last timer is, it will see. You need to reset, so you need to move enter value after reset this timer. So thank you for watching my video. If you learn from my videos, so please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for never miss new update. So if you have any doubt, so also you can ask. If you have any not, if you don't have any doubt, also you can ask. If you have more doubt, then also you can ask. If you have very less doubt, then also you can ask. No problem. If you learn from this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for never miss new update. Rockwell stop there.